The record-breaking bull market run has been very good to investors who have been invested and long the market. But where should they be looking as the bull market approaches, well, its second decade? Josh Jalinski of Jalinski Advisory Group and the president and host of Financial Quarterback on WOR Radio joins us now. $500 billion in assets under management. Okay, let's start with that question.
Well, we like Tencent right now because they have the biggest video game on earth right now, Fortnite. And Fortnite is not approved in China. Once it becomes approved in China, that stock is going to be proven to be one of the best deals right now.
Okay, so I asked you about the U.S. market, and you come back with a Chinese stock. That is part of your focus, isn't it?
Yeah, but I think if you look at, well, they own interest in Spotify. They own interest in U.S. gaming. I mean, they have such a foothold already in the U.S. markets. You know, Spotify, they own interest in Snapchat. They own, I mean, just they're everywhere. They're tentacles. And nobody's ever heard about this stock. I mean, other than people in the know and people in financial news and people in the industry, it's one of those, you know, it's the fifth or sixth biggest company in the world by revenue. But once everybody sorts of know it, like it becomes a household name,
it's a flood,
a la Amazon or Microsoft or Alibaba even, it'll become much bigger.
You just named Amazon and of course the big tech names. You've got Netflix. Nicole talked about it earlier. It's been so great. Look at the S&P today. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the Russell 2000. What do you say keeps this into its second decade of bull market runs?
I think a lot of companies are becoming more private. So the public companies that are remaining public are those that have been able to monetize tech. They're buying out other companies. They're sort of all tethered. I mean, if you think about Microsoft was just Windows. Now they're Azure Cloud. If you think about Amazon, they were book selling. Now they're AWS cloud services. They're getting into Whole Foods. So it's like big tech is becoming almost bigger than the government itself.
Oh, good or bad? Well, we'll get to decide that. Maybe next week we'll tackle it. Josh Jalinski, great to have you.